Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about free online tool. And in this video, I will give you at least 5 websites that you can use to generate free keyword code for anything, whether for products, social media, and for Wi-Fi or what have you, as the case may be. For as long as you are looking for how to generate keyword code, consider to stay tuned to this video and see 5 websites that you can use right now for free. Let me show you how. The very first one I have on my list right here. So come to your address bar and make sure you visit this particular website, Keyword Code Monkey. Hit enter on your keyboard and take us right here. Go ahead and click on the first result right here. And I am going to show you the official URL of this. Is this particular URL right here. You can see the official URL, www.qrfy.com. That is the official URL of this particular web, and it's going to take you right here. Here you have 5 good stages to generate your QR code for free, and then you can generate QR code for different things, just website, text, PDF, images, card plus or video. You can click on here to see more options by which you can use to generate QR code. You can see app, landing page, product, event, menu, feedback, SMS, playlist, and 2D barcode, as the case may be. You can scroll down right here and check detail, and these are the stages to generate keyword code: stage 1, stage 2, and stage 3 to choose your file and download your keyword code, and it is all for free. So this is one of the first I have for you as far as best website to generate free keyword code. Let's take a look at the second one right here. So I'm going to come to the top right there, create a new tab. Then after you create a new tab, bar, and make sure you type in Adobe Express. Adobe Express is another website that allow you to generate free keyword code for what have you. So right here, go ahead and click on the first result right here where you have adobe.com. Click on that. Then it's going to take you to the official web page of Adobe right here. What you need to do right here is to come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on create. Under the create, come down below right here where you have create a keyword code. Click on that, and in a few seconds it's going to take you right here. So free keyword code generator right here. So here, one thing about this is that you have to upload the file or product or what have you to the internet, maybe into your Google Drive or any cloud storage. Then you just need to copy the link to that particular product or image, then you generate free keyword code right here. You can generate, so you can see the 3 stages involved right here. Open the QR code generator, enter a URL, and tap download button to generate image instantly. Charges to show your new QR code. Then the stage 2 here is personalized. Customize the styles and color of your free QR code generator code to match your brand. And the last stage here, continue editing. Download QR code image in your preferred file type or upload it to any Adobe Express project, as the case may be. It's that simple. So you can see the stages and different kind of templates for customization right here. So this is the second one right here. Let's take a look at the third one as far as free QR code website generator is concerned. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new tab right here. Then come to the address bar and type in QR-me and type in me-qr, hit enter. Then take you right here. Go ahead and click on the first result right here. So me-qr.com, and it's going to take you to the official web page right here. This website is another great website that allows you to generate free keyword code for anything, as the case may be. On getting to the official web page, come down below right here, click on few more type right here. You have a lot of things right here: LinkedIn, social media, calendar, file, 2D barcode, Amazon, etc. There are a lot of things here that you can create a freebie keyword code for, as far as this particular website is concerned. So this is the third one right here. Let's take a look at the fourth one that you can use to create a free keyword code for your business on internet. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new tab right here. Go to the address bar right here and make sure you go to viral keyword, hit enter. Then it's going to take you right here. Go ahead and click on the first result right here where you have viralkeyword.com. Go ahead and click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Create QR codes in 1 minute. Then you can see URL for QR code, review, social link, PDF, image, business page, link in bio, fee card, etc. Create and edit dynamic QR code, measure performance with analytics, customize QR code with unique design, as the case may be. You can see details about this particular site. The more you scroll down, the more you see everything about the site right here. And these are things you can create QR code for: URL, custom link, URL, link of list. There are a lot of things right here that you can. The more you scroll down, the more you see stuff that you can create QR code for. And this is the fourth one right here. Let's take a look at the very first, the fifth one right here, as far as free website to generate or create free QR code for your business is concerned. So the very last one right here, I'm going to come to the top right here and then go ahead and create a new tab. Come in right here and then go ahead and visit this particular website. Hit enter key on your keyboard and it takes you to the first result right here. Go ahead and click on the first result. And then the official URL for this particular QR code website is this from the top right here: online-qr-generator.com. It's going to take you to the official webpage right here. You can create QR code for website, PDF, list of links, card, business, video, images, and Facebook. The more you scroll down, the more you see different things that you can create QR code for as far as this particular website is concerned. And you have only 3 stages to generate free QR code on this site. Choose your QR code content, which is the first way. The second thing here is to customize your design. And the last here is download your QR code. You can save your QR code in PNG file format, SVG file format, JPEG, EPS, or print it or share it digitally. It's that simple. This is 5 best websites that you can use to generate free QR code right now. Let me know what you think about some of these websites in the comment section down below. For more free stuff like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.